Adopted na ng Senado ang Resolution number 256. Ito po yung kumukundina sa pagbatikos ng Chinese Embassy sa mga opisyal ng pamahalaan. Magugunitang nagkaroon po ng sagutan ng Chinese Embassy at ang kay Philippine Coast Guard spokesman for the West Philippine Sea, Commodore J. Tariela, at sa ilang senador at kongresista na nagsasalita tungkol po sa West Philippine Sea. Nagkaedita naman si Senador Francis Pangilinan at Senator Alan Peter Cayetano habang tinatalakay po ang resolusyon. Nag-umpisa po ito ng ungkatin ni Cayetano ang karikature ni Chinese President Xi Jinping na inilabas nitong si Tariela.
We cannot pass this resolution saying that Commodore Tariela is correct because he's wrong. If he just simply stated, I love the Philippines, I will fight for our territory, I'll fight for our sovereignty rights, I will do my duty, but sorry, dahil uminit ulo ko, nilabas ko to, pero hindi official yan. Tapos tayo.
We beg to disagree, Mr. President, that Mr. Commodore Tariela is mistaken.
So-
we would not have put this resolution and authored it if we felt Mr.
So
Tariela.
that's what I want to elicit. So the authors of this resolution is saying, pwede. So kung ang official ng presidente is to have certain decorum sa presidente ng China, pwede yung isang general hindi sumunod. Ang sa kanya, bastusin natin yung Pangulo
Mr.
ng
President,
isang bansa.
that is his interpretation?
No. Bastos yun.
No, that is your interpretation.
No. So if I ask them
well,
now...
Mr. President, we beg to disagree.
Can you...
Muling uminit ang diskusyon ng kwestiyonin ni Cayetano kung anong pahayag ang kanilang pinag-uusapan na paksa.
It specified the nature of the statements. So a little bit of research, malalaman mo na which statements were these because this
Point
refers
of order,
to...
Mr. President. Point of order.
What is the point of order?
The statements of Senator Pangilinan, the nature of his statements. Kayo na mag-research kung ano statements na yun, Mr. President. Sabi niya, pwede daw yun eh.
Mr. President,
I-research na lang daw natin.
I'm not yet done.
No, that's why I
Philippine
gave you,
officials,
Mr. President,
including
that's why I gave a point of
members
order.
of the Senate. May I just be... I am still
It's a
speaking,
point of order, Mr. President. A point of order precedes your precedence.
Where is the point
My
of order,
motion
Mr. President?
for
The point of
our
Session is
motion.
suspended.
Ay, nako. Tinig po ni na Senador Alan Peter Cayetano, Senador Francis Pangilinan at Senate President Pro Tempore Panfilo Lacson.